Hello and welcome back. Mustard is a plant of many different uses. The seeds can be used in cooking and pickling. They can also be ground into a powder to create dry mustard or pressed to make yellow mustard. The oil from the mustard seed is considered to be a healthy oil, being high in omega-3 fatty acids. Here are 6 home remedies that use mustard. Number 1. Burns. Accidents can happen when working in a kitchen with a hot stove or oven. The first thing you should do if you get burned is to run the burn under cool water and then slather on a thick layer of yellow mustard to stop the burn from hurting. Number 2. Congestion. A time-honored treatment for chest congestion caused by the flu or a cold is a mustard pack. You can make this pack by adding an equal amount of dry mustard powder and flour. Add enough warm water to create a paste. Place the paste on some cheesecloth and then put the pack on your chest. Number 3. Face mask. If money is tight and you can't afford a face mask, simply rub a thin layer of mustard on your face, giving plenty of space around the eyes so the fumes don't create a problem. Let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse it off. Number 4. Gas relief. To fight the after-dinner gas attack, swallow 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard after you eat. Wash it down with a glass of warm water. If that doesn't work, increase the amount of mustard up to 1 tablespoon. Number 5. Hair conditioner. Deep conditioning hair treatments can get pricey. You can use mustard seed oil in place of fancy treatment packages. Massage the oil into your hair and scalp. Cover the hair and let it sit for 8 hours. If you choose to do this at night, cover your hair with a bathing cap so you don't get oil on your pillow. Once your hair is fully treated, thoroughly rinse the oil out. Number 6. Sore muscles. After a workout or an intense game, add 1 tablespoon of mustard to your Epsom salt bath to get relief from aching muscles. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Take care and see you next time. Bye-bye.